Ella Academy for Competitive Examinations welcome the 12th standard outgoing students for a brush up on organic chemistry, the important topics relating to organic chemistry. Now, moving to content number 1. Important reactions of hydroxy derivatives, under which the first reaction which we are going to see is convert alkene to diol. Convert alkene to diol. It comes under a class of reactions called by the name hydroxylation. Hydroxylation class of reaction. What is hydroxylation? Addition of OH groups to the substrate carbon, to the carbon atoms. Here the reagent involved is Bayes reagent, that is cold alkaline dilute KMnO4. Potassium permanganate is called by the name Bayes reagent. Shortly we may remember by the term CAD KMnO4, cold alkaline dilute KMnO4. Now moving to the reaction. Alkene CH2 double bond CH2. The simplest of alkene, the name is ethene, IUPAC name. The common name is ethylene. On treatment with water, in presence of water, with Bayes reagent, cold dilute alkaline KMnO4, the OH group attaches itself to the substrate carbon in adjacent position. The formula is CH2OH, CH2OH. The common name is ethylene glycol. However, the IUPAC name is ethane 1,2 diol. How come ethane? There are two carbon atoms. It is saturated. Hence the name ethane. How come 1,2 diol? The OH groups are present in adjacent position. Hence the name 1,2 diol. So again, ethene gets converted to diol. 1,2 ethane diol. Now moving to the next reaction. Preparation of glycerol. Preparation of glycerol. Glycerol is a trihydric alcohol. Here, glycerol is prepared by a reaction called saponification. That is a preparation of soap. Here, soap is the main product and glycerol is the byproduct. The source material is triglycerides. That is glyceryl esters, higher esters. The reagent involved is a strong base, sodium hydroxide. The reaction proceeds with the cleavage of carbon oxygen. Now we'll move to the reaction. The triglycerides, that is glyceryl esters, by the formula RCOOR dash, on treatment with 3 moles of sodium hydroxide NaOH, strong base, get in the presence of heat, get itself converted to glycerol by the formulae CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH. The common name is glycerol. However, the IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 propane triol. How come propane? There are 3 carbon atoms. How come triol? The 3 OH groups are attached to the 3 carbon. Hence the name 1, 2, 3 propane triol. The IUPAC name with the byproduct soap RCOONA. The general formula for soap is RCOONA. Again we look at the reaction. Preparation of glycerol by a method called saponification. The source material is triglycerides, that is glyceryl esters. The reagent involved is a strong base and a carbon oxygen cleavage occurs, whereby the triglycerides on treatment with the sodium hydroxide in the presence of heat get itself converted to glycerol, the common name. However, the IUPAC name is 1, 2, 3 propane triol with the byproduct soap. Now moving to the next reaction. Methods to differentiate primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Here the reagent involved is Lucas reagent. The Lucas reagent is concentrated HCl in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. It belongs to a class of reactions called by the name aliphatic nucleophilic substitution, whereby OH minus nucleophile is replaced by Cl minus. Why anhydrous zinc chloride? What is the meaning of the word anhydrous? Means devoid of water molecule, absence of water molecule. Yes. How the scheme goes? Tertiary alcohols gives immediate turbidity. Turbidity na தமிழில் கலங்கல். ஒரு கலங்கலானா நம்மளுக்கு ஒரு சொல்யூஷன் கிடைக்கும். Turbidity gives, tertiary alcohols gives immediate turbidity. Secondary alcohol, that is 2-not, gives turbidity after 5 to 10 minutes. Primary alcohols does not give turbidity at room temperature. However, turbidity appears only on heating. Primary alcohol does not give turbidity at room temperature. However, turbidity appears only on heating. Now moving to the scheme of a reaction. Tertiary alcohols gives immediate turbidity. Here the tertiary alcohol taken is 2-methyl-2-propanol. 2-methyl-2-propanol on treatment with hydrochloric acid, concentrated hydrochloric acid, the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride gives a compound by the name 2-methyl-2-chloropropane with the byproduct water. The important observation is here turbidity appears immediately. In the case of tertiary alcohols 3-0, turbidity appears immediately. Now moving to the next reaction by the name secondary alcohols. Turbidity appears in 5 to 10 minutes. Turbidity appears in 5 to 10 minutes. The secondary alcohol taken here is 2-propanol. CH3, CHOH, CH3, 2-propanol, because OH is attached to the second position on looking from either side, hence the name 2-propanol. In the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid, in the presence of anhydrous zinc chloride, gives a compound by the name 2-chloropropane. 2-chloropropane. The important observation is turbidity appears in 5 to 10 minutes. Yes. Now moving to the last reaction of this post, primary alcohol 1-0. No reaction at room temperature. However, turbidity appears only on heating. Again I repeat, no reaction at room temperature. However, turbidity appears only on heating. The alcohol taken here is ethanol, CH3CH2OH in presence of HCl, in presence of Lucas reagent anhydrous zinc chloride, gives no reaction at room temperature. Okay, my dear student, thank you for viewing this demo post of LR Academy regarding 12th curriculum. Next post shortly will be on Victor Mayer test and the reactions to follow. Kindly stay tuned to our group.